Hey guys, challenge number 1. I am super excited. This was a challenge that as soon as I heard it was $50 and a project, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. Last year, actually this spring, we built this shed. This is my pick your own shed. Dream and vision. I want people to come to the farm, pop in here. There'll be some instructions, some vase, maybe some shears for cutting. And then they're gonna pop over into our pick your own flower area where we have all kinds of flower growing. They can come pick a few stems, make a little bundle, use the QR code and pay, and off they go. Okay, so here we are. There's not actually a lot going on in here, and I've kind of stored some things in here. So first thing we gotta do is do a little clean out.
Once we get all picked up, we'll be ready to go to the store.
Okay, so London and I are here at the Home Depot, ready to have our shopping trip. What do you think, Lou? Ready for a project? Sure. She's ready. Okay, super successful trip at the store. I not only got some stuff from Home Depot with our gift card. Thank you so much. That was amazing. We also did a little thrifting.
In our thrifting shopping, we found some vases and these 2 signs that we sanded down, gave them a fresh coat of paint, and they're going to be used in the farm stand for our signage, a board on the outside and then also the instructions on the inside. A little spray paint on this post. It's going to be the support for our sign outside. On to the lettering of our signs. This was so fun to do. It took me a while to figure out how I wanted everything to fit on the board, but I think it turned out really nice. I also had to do a lot of planning, especially for the instructions, to make sure everything would fit and that it was readable. Put along to hardware and making a mount for the outside sign. This L bracket turned out really great. I just was able to zip it right in and attach the sign so easily. These hooks were perfect.
It is officially time to go set up the shop. All right, here we go. I got all the things. We're headed out to our little stand. First things first, get on my wee bucket. 1, 2, So the idea behind this little stand is people could come anytime and pick their own flower bouquet. Now, we do have farm pickup, which is in what we call Judy's. Judy was the name of my neighbor, and that's whose house is just right over here next to my pick your own shed. And on Thursdays and Fridays from 3 to 6 p.m., we have our farm store set up for farm pickups. I think that sign gets to go up very last before we open for business. So let's go inside and get to work.
I love growing vegetables, but there's something about flowers that feeds my soul. I'm really excited to share it with everyone.
Okay, we are all set up in there, which I'm so excited about. So I'm gonna put up our sign and we're open for business. I love it. I love it, guys. Come and visit us.
Truly, the best part about being a farmer is having people come and enjoy all of your hard work. Because growing may look like a lot of fun, but it actually is a lot of work. It makes it all worth it to have others enjoy what you produce, whether that's vegetables or flowers. Next time you're in Bentonville, Arkansas, make sure to stop by and say hi to us at Tuckaway Farm and pick your own flowers.